What's up guys, for today's video I'm going to show you 5 more camping survival gadgets. First of all, we got right here a little folding shovel from Amazon, brand new as you can see, adjusted this way, unfolded. This one is a little bit like kind of flimsy or lightweight aluminum, so it's more like shovel in sand, shovel in gravel, that loose stuff, maybe loose dirt. I wouldn't dig it into the ground. Maybe a snow shovel would be also very nice. So stick it into your car if you got stuck in a snow or in a sand or in a gravel or some kind of mud. Maybe you can dig yourself out, but nothing that way you can actually dig through the hard dirt. So pretty unique foldable shovel that can fit into your car super easy, and it unfold very good. Look at that. Okay, next we have here camping pants, and Amazon keep advertising me this stuff so much. Okay, this is a winter camping pants, so I got size I think large, and this is 36 by 38. So let's put them on, see what happens. Let's do it. It's pretty stretchy. My question is, how are they going to do with the lengthwise? Because I'm very tall. Buying stuff online is really annoying sometimes. This is why I don't buy clothes online, because I'm so tall. I have to try them on. First of all, first impression, it's nice and stretchy. I have no problem sitting around and standing and stretch out pretty good. But this side here is kind of sitting way too low, so it's kind of restrict my walking. It's very short, even though it fits me on the waist. They're very short for me. But these pants are easy to dry, very comfortable, warm, except as you can see they don't make them for tall people. I got my size, they just need to be way longer. So yeah, if you're average person, not like me, tall, it probably will work for you. And I love them, they're super nice. Too bad they don't really fit me, because I would wear them all the time. But again, you see right here, a little bit too wide. It should be way higher like that. So that way would have been a little bit more comfortable, but I don't want to put my pants that high either. So this right here should be a little bit shorter. So yeah, that's the only complaint, but that's a cool pants. If they would fit me, I'd definitely wear them. So next gadget, I think this is a knife. This is a neck knife. This one's pretty cool. So that way it's always accessible. So what is a neck knife? I just learned about them. First of all, you have here fixed blade knife, very unique handle. I like it. It's stained, a little bit slippery, and it is a fancy kitchen knife in a way. Don't know nothing about this brand. You see there's a Bobcat logo, maybe. Yeah, it is a Bobcat. Made in Spain. Wow, that is cool. Okay. And this is what a neck knife is. Whenever you camping, hiking, you always have it over your chest. It's kind of pretty cool. Grab your knife, cut a rope, whatever, put it back over here. And the neck knife, meaning it goes like a little strap over your shoulder. Always you can take this out, grab it, use it, lay it down. Doesn't have to be on your neck. Figure I'll show it to you guys. Not a lot of people know what is a neck knife is. Very cool brand too. Okay, next I have put to the test TRD, tactical rope dispenser, but this one is a little bit cooler. This one is a see-through. This is made by Roman Atwood brother, Dale Atwood. He sent me a whole box of them before. This one I have bought on Amazon. So what's so cool about this one is see-through, and it goes onto your belt. Very easy, big, nice, wide belt buckle, so it's not gonna be wiggling around. And you got it here up, and there should be a blade. Where is that blade? There you go, there's a blade right here. So you just pull it up and just cut it. And that blade is so razor sharp, so you can pull it up as much rope as you need. Obviously you can install different type of rope. Very easy. But again, what's so awesome about this one, it's a see-through, so that way you don't have to open it to see how much rope you have left. You can actually see through it. So let's put it on a belt buckle and see what it looks like. I have put to the test this thing years ago and I still love them. I have a bunch. So just an amazing little tool right here. So whenever you're setting up your tent, you need a rope. Look at that. You can loosen it up, take it out, plug it back in, whatever. Take a piece out, longer piece, whatever, tie something up as quick as possible. You can go with one hand, boom, and of course as much help as you need it. Quickly, boom. So nice. Love this little thing. And again, look at that belt buckle. It sits there very nice and comfortable, not gonna wiggle around side to side. Very well designed gadget right here, one of a kind. Plug it in so that way the rope is not being loose, hanging everywhere. Amazing. And it's pretty easy to take it apart and re-rope it, put new rope in there. And one more thing we have here, Smith's Pack Pal. This one is actually a pretty unique thing. It looks like a cheese grater, but that's for firewood. It's raining right now a little bit, so you will need to find some kind of dry wood, which is pretty easy if you know what you're doing, even in a rainy situation. So first of all, you have a fire striker. Just grab it like that and strike it. This little, it's not really a blade, but steel piece, going to strike it very good. Boom. And right here, it pops out like that. You pretty much shave a stick of wood onto it, and that way you'll have kindling. So you'll grab a stick and shave it up, then you're going to open it and take the shavings out, lay it down and strike it, and that way it will start a fire pretty easily. With the fire starter, you don't have to look for little kindling or anything like that. You pretty much burning with your kindling maker. This thing is amazing. I think it should be way more popular, so that's why I'm making another video of it. We'll probably put it to the test in the future. This is just a quick items unboxing. So anyways, there's 5 more things that I really like to put into my backyard bag or survival bag or camping bag. Of course, these things you probably put it on your legs, or you might want to get some extra one. Winter camping, it's really nice and thick. Look at that. It's almost like a blanket inside of it. It just makes sure it fits you. I'm too tall for it. Hopefully they make my size plus long, and in my opinion it could be shortened up the zipper by a lot. I like much tighter pants on a zipper, but everybody different. Somebody might like this ones. Knife is very cool, and these 2 things, very unique gadget, and of course the shovel to dig yourself out from the snow. So a little winter survival kit in a way. Anyways, thank you for watching. Let me know in comments below if you want to see more gadgets like that, and I'll see you next time. But yeah, I will put that to the test in the future videos individually. What's up guys, I got that here instant blow up mattress, another one, or whatever you call it, so fast. There's so many names for them, I don't even know how to call them, but this one is pretty unique. Let's see what this one is all about. The latches is kind of nice. You got press it right here and release it. This one is very big one, as you can see. There's a plastic insulation inside of them, and looks like you got 1, middle, and 2. So it looks like you open one up and you just stretch it out a little bit. Oh wow, I can already see it's very deep. Look at that, it's like a big balloon. Okay, what I learned is gonna go fast. And then open another one. I'm tired. Takes a little bit of the time. I think first couple of times you just want to tap a little bit over here, and once you filled it up kind of halfway, then you want to go really fast. There you go. Anyways, once you do get a little bit of wind, it is a lot easier, I promise you. So you can just close this right here, boom, and you have this little couch like that. think we gotta put it down this way. And there's a net in the middle of it, which is really unique. Okay, let's start to sit on it. Oh yeah, beautiful. Very comfortable for sure. You can either sit in the net like that, or you can flip it over. Obviously, you see there's the little things that you can hook it up. You can sit like that too. Doesn't matter which side you want to prefer to sit on. Pretty cool, very comfortable. It hugs you very nice. Maybe get some kind of blanket pillow. Love it. Definitely very unique. Blow up mattress over here and it's instant. But again, I had a little bit of trouble filling this one up because it's much bigger. So it works best if it's a little bit windy, or you have to go a little faster. Okay, let's put it away. As you can see, it's also very easy to release the air because the hole is just huge. Okay, folding it one time and second time and just roll it up. That's it. I think they did it like that and then they just folded it together like this. Yeah, not bad. A little bit tight, but once you put it in and zoom this one back in, it'll be nice and packed. There you go, super cool.